A great gaming PC doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about picking the right parts for performance, efficiency, and value. Today, we're putting together another budget-friendly build that delivers a smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming experience. It also helps with AI-assisted workloads and efficient multitasking. The system is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 245K and the Intel Arc B580 GPU. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects, this build proves that you don't need to overspend to get great performance.